In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change slide duration in Canva. If you've ever exported a design as a video or presented it as a slideshow and felt that a page moved too quickly or lingered too long, adjusting the slide duration is the simple fix. Slide duration is just the amount of time a single page stays on screen, and setting it correctly helps your message land exactly the way you want. Start by opening your project in Canva. Once your design is on the screen, look along the bottom area of the editor for the row of page thumbnails. This is the strip that shows each page in your design at a glance. Click the specific page you want to adjust so it becomes active. You'll know it's selected when you see a highlight around it and the main canvas displays that page. When a page is selected, a toolbar appears at the top of the editor. In that toolbar, look for the small clock icon. This is the control for timing. Click the clock to open the timing options for the page you've selected. You'll see a timing control that includes a slider and a duration field. You can drag the slider left or right to make the page shorter or longer on screen. If you prefer exact control, you can type a specific value into the duration field. This is especially helpful if you're aiming for a precise timing, like 2.5 or 7 seconds. Keep in mind that the unit is seconds and the change you make applies to the single page you selected. Other pages will keep their own timing unless you adjust them too. A quick tip: if the slider feels a bit sensitive, entering the number directly is the most reliable way to get the exact timing you want. Also, think about the content on the page. A slide with a lot of text might need a longer duration so viewers can read comfortably, while a simple graphic can often be shorter to keep the pacing lively. If you don't see the clock icon, make sure a page is actually selected in the thumbnail row. Selecting a different page will bring up its timing settings, so you can repeat the same process for any page in your design. And that's it. By choosing your page, clicking the clock icon, and adjusting the slider or typing your preferred duration, you control exactly how long each page appears when you present or export your design as a video. Adjust, refine, and you'll have a professional, well-paced result.